Did you know that the spacebar on your iPhone keyboard, when you're in typing mode, acts as a touchpad? Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to create a new message. I'm going to send a message to Teddy Burris. There he is right there. I'm going to type in a subject. And I'm going to hit enter and drop me down into the text area. This is the message. Give me a moment to write Teddy a message. Okay, so there's my message. So now I want to show you how you can use the space bar as a touchpad on your iPhone. First of all, look, I wrote, hey dude, I list my keys, I lost my keys. So I could just simply click up here on list and up in that area and start typing. Or no matter where my cursor is, gently hold my finger on the space bar, gently, and you notice the keyboard disappears. Now I can move my cursor around anywhere in this field. I can't jump up to subject and I can't jump up to the to line, but I get up here in front of I, hit the backspace. I lost my keys. Then I can see where you can see where I think they slipped out of my pocket when I was on your boat. That's fine. Take a look and see if you can find them for me. Well, you know, I want to make those individual lines. So gently hold my finger on the space bar. Move over here in front of I, hit enter twice, and it's a new line. Do the same thing, hold it, move over here. Now notice I can't get all the way over, so I can let go, do it again, drop down in some text, hold it, drop down again, get in front of take, and hit enter and make it a different line. Gently holding your finger on the space bar lets you move anywhere within the field that you are in typing. And then if you get to the end, you realize you need to go further, let off, hold the space bar, and then you can move further. Just a cool little trick about turning your space bar into a trackpad on your iPhone. I hope this is helpful.